bench press kan ti dona so an warm up back ha so in working set to 70 kgs 4 into 8 reps ti kan dum don it's in bench press so barbell row yeah tu me da ade.
Oh hi, it's me again. I missed you. You remember me, right? I'm not only there at night.
Jeff ane bay na sakam no bay na sakam. What are you training?
Video.
Yeah, it's a video.
Okay, so we're gonna do shoulder press now.
Shoulder press. 20 kgs.
Yeah, it's 20 kgs.
That's heavy, man.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me.
Hey, 70 kgs na ito Voy na working set. 4 sets of 8 reps di ka tung doon ito. One set down. 2 more sets to go. Ang lo thil pakhat ka soi du chu tia phaya lekha zira kan oma wang hianin eng tik lai point lekha kan zir reng ta lo ta tianga hu nol han ho khana na gym lo om ve shin hi student dan bona cha shisen dan bona cha chanin man chang kai phei chanin kan tum lo ram min shoi theng the ni ti dei ta ro pu chin ha mai trong con của han thiếm về tàu ta cái cuối tình sót lá vai lâu lẹ product chỉ sang sang big takin good ka product iti awang hianin nana tri bayong tak tak ba ka thina hi li tor pha thei awangin nang chu hediang product laka hen lo feel him te dang che exercise masa bench press ka 70 kgs 4 into 8 4 sets of 8 reps ka zota so tu na hianin second exercise barbell row 4 sets of 8 reps to 50 kgs in dilenge mitam takin min zo thina nga tinge vlog ki siam to lo na chan an ti thina vlog ka siam to lo na chan chu ni lengin class an kala chanin zan lama le khazi ramai le do mok sia baka social media mani ni na lo ang de mol de de wa omren kha e tlemin kum te lo ko ve te la ri ru te lo danglam ve te tel tamo zo an zonin kan play reng big lo ta duna second set barbell chi me no做完做呢，你老师题目啦，马上 video 的，你老 like 你老 subscribe 这头做呢。2 more sets. Finish. You want to do deadlift? You want to do deadlift or squat? Okay. I finish quick. That's all folks, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Be different, be unique, be exclusive, and stay away from drugs, alcohol and tobacco. Live a healthy life. John HIV AIDS take low carrying on. John no lepa twin over. Peace out, dude.